Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by cleaning the repair area thoroughly with soap and water. Follow with a wax and grease remover and dry completely. Inspect chips and scratches and decide if primer is required for bare metal. Sand the damaged area with 1200 grit to remove oxidation and rough edges. Feather the surrounding paint using 1500 grit sandpaper until transitions feel smooth to the touch. Mask surrounding panels using automotive tape and paper to protect them. Shake the touch-up paint bottle for at least 2 minutes to ensure uniform pigment. Test spray or dab paint onto a disposable card to confirm color match. If bare metal is exposed, apply a thin primer coat and let it flash before color. Apply the color in 3 to 4 thin coats for depth and adhesion. Allow 10 to 15 minutes flash time between each coat depending on temperature. Hold the applicator about 6 to 8 inches from the surface for even coverage and avoid pooling. After color has flashed, apply 2 to 3 thin clear coat layers for protection and gloss. Allow 30 to 60 minutes of flash time between clear coats, watching for runs and sags. Let the entire repair cure for 24 hours before any light handling or instrumentation. When cured, wet sand the repair area with 1500 to 2000 grit sandpaper to level slight texture. Follow with a rubbing compound to remove sanding haze and then a fine polish for gloss. Allow 7 days before washing to complete chemical cure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.